sewage system. We'll let you see how the pump works. He's going to catch what comes out in this strainer right here, so you'll be able to actually see what this pump does and how quick it does the job.
And we're actually, as Alan mentioned, we're going to send a few materials through here. One thing that probably would be real commonly found in a sewage basin is a piece of denim, but then again, there's been some crazier things flushed down. But we like to use denim because you have the seam. It's very heavy-duty material, so it gives you a good idea of the performance of the grinder. We're going to start with the rubber glove, which isn't very common, but there's other rubber products that are found in sewage systems. Just got to get underneath there. There we go. See, there's particles floating around in here. So as the materials are getting washed around the basin, they get sucked back in. The pump just continues to chip away, as you can see. That's what we have here, and there's still particles floating around, but they'll slowly get sucked back up into the unit. Let's just jump, we'll jump right to denim. Get right to the point. You hear it chipping away there. You heard it slow down for a second. That's the dual capacitor motor. That allows it to have a lot of torque. You hear it there. You can see that's what we're left with. There's still some particles floating around inside here, but they'll eventually get sucked right up through with the rest.
There's no long, stringy particles. It's chopped up in pretty small pieces, so nothing's going to get hung up as it goes down because of the way it cuts it into small pieces.
We got a few feminine napkins here. We tied them together, left the cardboard on a few of them just to oh, they got sucked in on there on their end. So it's going to eat that cardboard and everything. Trash can or something. You know, I'll pick all that up then. Sometimes that's the hardest part is getting it underneath there. There you go. Like they got sucked up over there. There's a little kid's glove. This is always a good one to show. We got two red rags here. Just put them together. It's easy to see when that's being ground up. Again, you can see what we're left with, a lot of little fine particles. And that's all due to the cutter taking small pieces at a time instead of big chunks, like a lot of our competition. We got one last thing, another feminine product we'll throw in there, which is more commonly found in sewage systems. You can see all the debris and particles are spinning around the container and slowly getting sucked back in and chopped out. Alrighty, I think that gets the point across of what the Omnivore is capable of doing. Like I mentioned before, this unit has done this demonstration hundreds of times with no failure whatsoever.
Liberty pump you need today, Northeastern Supply.